We will look how to assemble and disassemble or fold the Graco pack and play. So first I am opening this up. This is like the cover which will open up. Let's put it on the side. Then let's turn it around. The wheels will go down. We need to just make sure this middle part is always in the center up, and first do the click on all sides. So straighten all the parts from the left and right, and then we should move this down, right? So if we move this down first and then try to straighten these, it won't happen. So that's the trick. Now we have opened it up, and then we can just place this part here on the side this. So yeah, that's the assembly for Graco Pack and Play. If you have the bassinet attachment, then that will be attached on the four sides here, and then this part at the bottom will go on that, and then the child can go. So now let's look at the disassembly.